In this video, we will be reviewing how to manually add or deduct funds from a customer account in our customer database. For example, if a customer has a decline style account and has joined us in between fund reset times, it is useful to know how to prorate their account with a certain amount of money so that they have some funds to expend before the next reset date. To begin, navigate to the customer database function from your Backoffice home screen. We're going to step into the Customer Account tab and then into the Account Transactions tab. Make sure to press the search function on the left-hand side of the screen to list out the customers in your database. From this list, we can now select an existing customer so that we can add funds into their account. To begin, make sure to use the drop-down at the top of the screen to select which account you want to make a fund adjustment to. In this demo, we will be adding and deducting funds with a decline style account. In the space directly below the subtabs, over here, you will see this account's transaction history according to the date range specified by this purple bar. You can adjust the range of time for which you are looking up transaction history by clicking the month buttons on either side of the purple bar to shift your time range by a period of 1 month. Because I selected a new customer who has just joined us, they would have no transaction record with us and therefore no recent transactions listed. To view the balance on an account, look to the balance field located over here under the transaction history area. At the bottom of the screen, we see two tabs labeled Page 1 and Page 2. This is where we will be making adjustments to the funds in this account. To begin, press the New Entry button at the bottom of the screen. Now we are able to make edits in the Page 1 and Page 2 areas. In the Page 1 tab, in the Primary Info area, fill in the amount field with the amount of funds you wish to add to the account. I'm going to prorate this account with $100. In the Transaction area, select the Authorization Type dropdown and select Credit, as we are adding funds to this account. Now we can select the Page 2 tab and add a simple note to our transaction entry. Once these steps have been completed, press Save Entry at the bottom of the screen. Upon doing so, you will see a new line appear in the transaction history area, and the balance on the account will be updated to show $100. On the occasion that funds have been incorrectly added, or a customer is leaving after a reset at a predetermined time, and they do not need the full amount, it is useful to know how to deduct funds from an account. Select New Entry at the bottom of the screen. In the Page 1 tab under Primary Info, enter the amount you wish to deduct in the Amount field, let's say $50. Under Transaction, select Sale from the Authorization Type dropdown this time. Like before, navigate to the Page 2 tab to fill in notes. I'm simply going to say Adjusted Funds. Press Save Entry at the bottom of the screen and you will see a change reflected in the transaction history area as well as the balance on the account. And that's how we manually adjust funds on customer accounts. Thank you for watching.